What's up, Internet Marketers? Zyke Paz from InternetMarketingGym.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create squeeze pages and upload them to your host. Not only that, everything is free. The squeeze pages are free, the uploading tool I use is free, the editing software is free, it's all free. So watch this video in its entirety.
Okay, so before you do anything, you want to download the squeeze pages, the landing pages, all of my landing pages right here on my site, Internet Marketing Gym /free landing pages templates. Okay, so once you do that, you want to also download NVU. Okay, NVU is a free piece of software, open source. Another free item here. It allows you to edit any type of HTML. Okay, so you can download that. If you're Mac, you want this one. If you're Windows, you want this one. Okay. Once you do that, you're gonna open up your NVU by clicking on the icon. Give it a second here before it opens up. Okay, and then you're going to click the open button, right? So I'm assuming you've downloaded my landing pages and you have them on your computer. So you're going to open up those 30 landing pages and click on the niche you want. I got 10 of the best niches here. I might add more in the future, so please check back. But let's go to new blogger. Okay, you want to help out a newbie blogger, so you're going to create a squeeze page with a interesting lead magnet, and you want to edit that squeeze page. So let's go to squeeze page, click indexed. Now you see it's here on NVU. Okay, now there's here at the bottom, there's two buttons I want you to pay close attention to. There's normal, then there's source. Okay, now this is, don't be scared. Okay, you're not a coder, I'm not a coder. None of us here are coders, so don't worry about it. If you're a coder, good for you, but if you're not, then you're like me. Okay, so don't worry about all this crazy text, all this crazy HTML code. I'll get you through this, trust me. Go back to normal. Okay, go back to normal, and you see this text, you just type whatever you want. So I got you a nice little default sales copy here, a lead magnet copy that you can use. Discover how to X with Y in under 7 days, for example. So discover how to get your post to #1 with my ranking method. I'm just typing, that's it. All right, with my ranking method in under, I don't know, let's be conservative here, under 25 days. Okay, 100% free. So that's all, right? You're done writing your text. Okay. Also, if you want to add video, which I highly recommend, video converts very well. What you want to do, now don't be scared. Of course, everything you do, you want to save. You want to click the save button here. Okay, but let's talk about video now. Let's say you want to add a video in here. Okay, let me show you how that's done. So first, you want to get a video. You go to your YouTube channel. I got this video up here ready, and you're going to click share. Okay, share, and you're going to click embed. Okay, now check this out. You want to uncheck suggest videos. You want to uncheck show video title and player actions. You just want to keep it nice and clean. Okay, now you have this code. Okay, you're going to copy this code just like that. You're going to go back to your NVU. You're going to go to, okay, so you see here never before seen. Okay, you're going to go back to source, and you're going to scroll down and look for that never before seen. Okay, where are you? Never before seen. Here we are, never before seen. Okay, never get in the way of the code. That's a very simple way to do HTML. If you don't know anything about HTML, just paste new HTML within pre-existing code. So you see here, never before seen, and you have span BR. Okay, right there, I'm gonna create a space, and between that code and discover how to get your post to #1, I'm gonna I'm gonna paste the code I just copied from YouTube and put it into this HTML right here. But one thing you want to do, it says width 560. I'm gonna turn that to, I'm gonna make that 500. Okay, so it fits nicely inside the template I have for you. Now, if we go to normal, check it out. Never before seen video, then the promise, the lead magnet, then they can put their information, their email in here. Okay, see how cool that is? Nice and simple, nothing difficult. Again, save your work, always save your work. Let's do that. Save that work there. Okay, now what I recommend is just getting the person's email, but let's say you want their name and email. Let me help you out there too. Okay, go back to source. Go back to source, and I'm going to look for the code with the email in it. Okay, right here. See, it says input name, email, on click. You don't want to mess with all this stuff, but you do want to copy it. Okay, copy it just like the way you see it. Boom. Copy that. Okay. Now, see this slash div? You're gonna make a space right there and paste what you just did. So you can basically repeat the code you just copied. We're gonna do some little edits here. It says instead of email, we're gonna put name. Very simple, nothing too difficult. In value here, put your best email in here. We're just gonna put name. Okay. Let's put in big capital letters like that. Very good. Now when we go back, boom, we have the name field and we have the put your email in here field. Okay, so we got a video, we got this arrow here, we got the lead magnet copy here, and we have name and email. Okay. Also, we might want to put your best. We might want to change this up and put your name and best email below to get this today. Very simple. Okay. Again. Save it. Okay, save it as is. Okay, now it's time to add. Now it's time to add your code. Okay, so your code for your autoresponder. Remember, you want to get the person's email so that you can offer them value, both paid and free emails to them. Not emails, sorry, paid and free offers to them, so that they can solve their problem, whatever it is, in whatever niche that you're dealing with. Okay, so you're going to go back to source. Okay, now you want to hit Control F. If you use Windows, I use Control F. You want to click on redirect. You want to type in, it's not click, but type in redirect. Okay, now you see highlighted redirect here. Now you see there is a email, not the email address, but there's a URL here, a link here. Okay, what you want to do is put the link of the thank you page that you want to send your subscriber to after they opt in. So after you put their email in and hit submit, you want to send them to the thank you page. Okay, I have a whole different video on how to create a thank you page, and I have templates for that. You can check out that video. I'm sure it's listed somewhere in the description or within the YouTube cards. Okay, so check that out. It's really important. But you want to put the URL in here for that thank you page. So let's imagine, well, my site, internet marketing gym.com / thank you. It depends on the thank you page. Okay, it's really important that you put a thank you page in the redirect section. We're not done, So let's go to Aweber. Aweber. That's my auto-responding service I use. I'm very happy with them. And I'm going to get code. Okay. So let's go to 30 landing pages for you. Okay. And I want the sign up form. Okay. And you want to go create your first sign up form. Save your form. Gotta save every time, right? Just in case something goes wrong, you still have your work, be it if you're writing a post or whatever. Okay, so save. Gotta save everything. Go to step 3. Okay, here we go. Okay, I will install my form. Okay, click raw HTML version. Okay, it's not advanced, don't worry. Include beautiful form styles. You want to unclick that so you have just the basic code here. But don't worry, we're not using all this stuff. Okay, what we want here. Okay, what we want here is, you see hidden list name. Okay, we have AW list 4832748. This is the code I'll be using. Okay, you want to copy that. Go back here, and you should find that corresponding section, and you want to drop your information there. So list name value. Okay, boom, right here. Okay, just confirm. You got your Aweber account. It says here list name value, and this is the important piece that connects everything. You want to copy that and find it on the template that I gave you and drop it again right where it belongs. List name value, and then your little code here. That's it. I'm not done. I want to do one more thing. As you can see, it says here, it says Meta Web Form ID, and it has a number for the value. I want to stick that in here too. So Meta Web Form ID, there's a value here. We're going to drop this number too, okay? And we are done. We are done, okay? Go back to normal. Click save, and you're good. Now, there's a background image here. There's a background image, okay? If you ever want to change the background image, that's a very easy thing to do, okay? So, you see, here I am in the new Blogger, the squeeze page. You see, there's an image file here. This is where I keep the image, okay? This image is 3000 by 2000 pixels. If you want to change the image to something else, maybe you want to branch out into a different niche that's not included within my package, but you want a corresponding image, then you can just go to Pixabay. Pixabay. 1 second. Go to Pixabay, find an image that corresponds to your niche. Okay, very simple, right? And then add it to this file on your computer, and you want to name it. You want to delete this one and name it the same, background image. Okay, make sure it's 3000 by 2000 pixels. You want to delete this one and name it the same, background image. And when you upload it to your hosting service, it will appear right behind your squeeze page, just like it is in this template. Okay, now it's time to upload our page onto our host. To do that, I recommend you download FileZilla. It's 100% free. I use them every time I want to upload something to my host. So you just go to FileZilla -project.org. Again, this is open source, absolutely free. You want to download the corresponding file. So if you use Windows, then you want to use the Windows download button here, just like I do. Okay. Once you do that, you want to open it up, and you want to get this information from your host account. You can log into your host, or you can ask your host support if you don't know how to log in. You want the host address, you want your username, and you want your password, the password you use to enter your hosting service, to enter your account. Okay, just these three pieces of information: your host, username, and password. Okay, so this side here, this is your computer. This side here, this is your host. Okay, so now that we got this information, I want to click quick connect here. So I want to bridge the two together. And now I want to click this folder here, and I want to scroll down until I find public HTML. Once I click on public HTML, I want to find the website that I want to, the domain that I want to upload the page to. So I want to upload to internetmarketinggym.com. Okay, so now that I click that, this bottom part here is the actual website, internetmarketinggym.com. This side here is my computer. So I want to take my page from this side, where on my computer, I want to take the page from my computer and drop it into my website. So I want to click on downloads. That's where my page is located, I believe. I'm going to click on the landing pages. I'm going to go to new blogger. That's where it is. And I'm going to take it as is. Okay. And you do this for all the pages. You do this for thank you pages, squeeze pages, and you do it for bonus pages. Whatever the page is, this is how you do it. Nothing changes. This exact method. Every time you want to upload a page to your host. Okay. So I want to drag it over and drop it in here. Okay. Whatever you do, don't drop this file into another file. You want to drop it. You want to make sure it's not into one of these files. Okay. So you want to make sure it's on your website, and you see all these files here. You want to stay clear from those files, and you see a bunch of other documents here. It's safe to drop your file here from your website. So again, hit Control or hold and drag it over and just drop it in. And now you want to wait until it's fully uploaded. It takes a couple of seconds, maybe a minute, depends on your internet speed. And that's it. Files transferred. Okay. Now your page is part of your site. It's connected to your site. Okay, so now that we uploaded it, let's check if it's online. Go to internetmarketinggym.com / and the name of the file, which is squeeze page. You can change it to whatever you want, of course. There it is. And it's online, video and all. Okay, and there's the forms. And the get instant access. So if your would-be subscriber puts his or her name here and their email in there, and they click get instant access, they'll be included into your autoresponder. So you can message them, provide them value, offer them all kinds of good stuff. Not only that, when they opt into your squeeze page here, they will be taken directly to your thank you page. Okay, so don't forget to check out my tutorial on how to create a thank you page using my free templates. Another thing, little advice here, there's a lot of stuff going on in the squeeze page. I'd keep it simpler. Okay, maybe just leave the video and get rid of this text here, or maybe get rid of this title up here. But I like to keep things nice and simple. I think it's crowded. And another thing I told you, I'm not a big fan of collecting names. There's a big debate. Some say you should, some say you shouldn't. It's all up to you. That goes beyond what this video is about. But yeah, there you go. That's how to create a squeeze page for free. You don't have to You don't have to pay for any fancy services. Nothing strange. Very simple. Very straightforward. I hope you enjoyed. Please, again, download NVU. Download FileZilla. Get all of my landing pages for free. Everything's for free here, and watch all the tutorials. I can't speak. All of the tutorials so that you can learn how to create these stunning landers for free and without much hassle. Take care. Pause. Bye bye.
Ahora sigo notando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo